Hey, what's up, folks? It's Mike here from Netter Gold and King Kai as well. And I want to do an unboxing for you for this pretty dope package that I got. It's the We by Black Big Black Bag, $100 plus edition. And it states, okay, so the description is, grab a gift bag of over $100 worth of amazing black-owned products with free shipping. We will handpick the vendors to ensure your bags consist of top-rated, highly demanded, and unique items. Huh. I don't remember Netter Gold being reached out for this bag. Huh. But let's unbox it. Let's see what they got. And we'll see. All right, so let's unbox this thing. Let's do that. Let's get this thing started. So this is the Big Black Bag, $100 plus whatchamajig. Let's see what's in here. Okay, all right. So we got some True laundry detergent. We all already know we bang with True in the house, so that's good. I like True. Ooh. And then we got this. All right. Let's bring this setup down, and then we can do a better unboxing there. All right. Okay, back. Okay, so we got the True. Fantastic stuff. I think I just plugged them in the video. But you know, I love the stuff. Good to go. Boom. And then the rest of the bag. This stuff. So let's see what we got in here. All right, we got a little card here. So thank you, card. Thank you. We appreciate the support and can't wait to see you all in your shirt. Okay, cool. We got a shirt. I like that. I like that a lot. So you all may have seen me in another one of my shirts. I have the Soul Market. Soul, one second. This one. I got the Soul Food Market shirt. I contributed to their fund for the marketplace. I can't remember what it was. It's fantastic. I like the shirt. Really good shirt. And I love the cost. Now, back to the stuff. So we got the shirt here. We have a We by Black logo shirt. Okay, I can get down with this. And it is a medium. Oh yeah, I did have the option to choose. It said, yeah, it did say medium. So I got a medium shirt, fantastic. I like this. I'll be rocking this in some videos. Whoop. All right, cool. And then I have right here, Coils by Nature. Beard and face moisturizer with arganol and chamomile. See what's in this thing. Some water, stuff. You good, buddy? Some more stuff. All right, so I got this. I'm gonna try this out. It's a beard and face moisturizer. Never tried this before, so we're gonna give it a shot. And it looks like I also got something from them. Coils of Nature Replenishing Hair and Scalp Shampoo, Eucalyptus and Lavender. This is, all right, cool. I like the little, has a little spray pump. I don't want to do too much, but it has a little spray pump, so that's cool. Bam. All right, so that's the second thing. Also got a third one here. So Coils by Nature seems to be the dominant body care brand they went with here. That's cool. Like I said, it's fine. It's totally cool. All right. So then we have let's see, Nourishing Hair and Body Butter, Marvelous Mango. All right, excited to give this a shot as well. So we got these three here so far: Bam, Bam, and Badamadam. It's getting a little warm. Bamboo toilet paper. Comes in handy all the time. All right, so then we also have this here. AKOYN. Skin I'm In. Tropical Fruit. Luxurious Oil. Cleansing Bar with red mandarin oil. All right, so it's supposed to brighten and adds, brightens and softens. All right. Ooh, okay. Smells nice. These are the ingredients right there if you all can see them. Let me zoom in for you a little bit. Okay, okay, all right. I can get down with this. I'm gonna try this on my butt later. See how this goes. All right, so we did that one, and then Q-tips. Now this is dope. I would have never thought about Q-tips. K cotton swabs. That's dope. We're actually all out of Q-tips in the house, and we're gonna need some with these kids. All right, dope, dope, dope. And last but not least is the King's Beard Oil. Our King's Beard Oil encourages moisture and growth by providing the necessary nutrients vital for a luxurious and healthy beard. Okay, cool. All right, so I got a lot of body care stuff, which I think is super dope. I got the cleaning stuff and the shirt. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited to give all this stuff a shot. I'm gonna do this stuff in a separate video so that you all can see the Cause by Nature, the True. I mean, do we really need to talk about True again? It's a great detergent, amazing detergent, good stuff. It really does a great job of keeping you clean, smelling great, looking great, feeling great. We good on that one? Plug done? Good. True? All right, set this aside. But the Cause by Nature, I have heard some good things about them, so I'm excited to try these. The shampoo, the beard moisturizer, and the Marvelous Mango Body Butter. The beard oil as well. So I feel as though they did a good job making sure I was fully taken care of when it came to self-care. Now, like, if you just think about everything that came in this set, my clothes, right? So True for my clothes. So I'm not dirty, I'm not stinky, you know, I'm not bumming it. Then I got shampoo for my hair, right? Shampoo for my beard. I got moisturizer for my face and my beard. Got a body butter and a beard oil so that my entire body is taken care of, along with a bar of soap. So my entire body is taken, oh, and one more thing, Q-tips, right? So my entire body is taken care of, and I even got a shirt. So essentially for $100, I got an entire body care, spa treatment, and my first date. I mean, I don't do first dates anymore because I'm married, but you get what I'm saying. This would have been a whole first date in the box, essentially. So, good job. Kudos. 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 I do want to talk to whoever, you know, did do the, you know, the curating for this, obviously, because, you know, just for reasons. But all jokes aside, all salt aside, I'm really not salty. Not upset at all. I think this is a great box. I love the fact that they're doing this fulfillment center thing. I think it's fantastic. And I'm really looking forward to seeing it compete with Amazon on a bigger scale. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, stuff I should, I don't know, try out, buy, talk to, whoever, let me know. I'm really interested in showing and showcasing a lot more of these small body care businesses, small businesses in general, because I'm a small business. And I've spent a couple $100,000 on advertising and whatnot to make my business grow. So I love using my platform for free for other people. So if you have a business or anything, in a link below, in the bio, description below, you see my address and you can just go ahead and make whatever you want. See, I don't smoke, so I would defer that over to my Chief Brand Ambassador, Alexis. I don't drink, so anything rum related will also, or alcohol related will go to either Chris, well no, Chris is breastfeeding, so it'll go to Alexis as well. But yeah, if you have any questions, just hit me up and I'll let you know what I won't showcase, because I showcase pretty much anything. It's just how I showcase would be the problem. Like if you sound like a sex toy or something, I don't know what to do with that. But send it, whatever, who cares? So one last time, thank you again. Subscribe to the channel. Love you all very much. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. See ya. Oh, King K, want to say anything? Dude's asleep. He's knocked out. All right, see ya. A manila envelope. This one's pretty stuffed. I'm excited for this one. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. All right. Start in the middle. Puncture the soul. What the hell is going on here? Ooh, this. Okay, what we got here? Start out, got some socks. Okay, I like socks. This is from Redefine. I was reading Red and Fine, like, but okay. Redefine from Sean Leach. It's Leach, right? L-E-A, Leach. Just correct me if I said that wrong. All right, so Redefine, boom. This here. I like it. I like it. So this one is a breast cancer survivor shirt. I like that. Looks dope. All right, cool. Bam, got this one. Set this on the side. This one here, huh? Okay, Native American. Got it. Vibing with it. Bam. Definitely vibing with this one. All right, and then we got a hoodle for the same. All right, the Native American design as well in a hoodle form. Bam. Redefine apparel. Nice. This is their Instagram and everything right here. The Instagram, Cash App. Boom. I like it. And let's check out these socks though. Socks. Who doesn't like a nice pair of socks? Yo, this dude's face on it, I totally agree with putting your face on things. I think it's a good idea. That's cool. And then it has it right down the back. Oh yeah, this is nice. These are quality too. Like, you know how when you get like a pair of socks and they got like the little plastic thing in the middle? This is metal. They did metal. This is how you know you paid some good money for some socks. This is an elite sports sock. See, the thing about this is I don't do athletics anymore, but I'm going to do some athletics in these socks. Because you got like the little ridges right here. You see the little ridge thing? To let you know, like, these like actually athletic socks. Like, these are like legit, like some legit socks. I like this. I like it a lot. Thank you so much, Sean. I'm definitely gonna make sure I rock this stuff and make you proud. So, thank you.